Seriously? This guy's running on this highway? That's the most ridiculous thing I've ever seen in my life. Alright, this car. No. Oh, boy. That was good.
It gets heavy, but the weight on me, baby, put it on me. Yeah, baby, put it on me. Yeah, put it on me.
Continue straight for 9 minutes to I-287 North to I-80, Mawa.
Wow. Out of your fucking mind.
Holy shit. That's fun.
Pulling a trailer.
It's a lot of fun.
Oh, Jesus
Right,
Christ.
that one's
In our world
nice, too.
today, also
Oh my God.
Shit.
vocalist Darwin Better of the New York Boys
Fucking Christ, man.
and Miles Davis
Holy
from his album Seven
shit.
Steps
If they had the car on there, it would have been in the back.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
Outstanding.
Who the fuck stops in the middle lane to make a right-hand turn?
Turn right on East
Look
Main
at this
Street.
idiot.
Then turn right on
my
What's going
Avenue.
on today? Is this what goes on in the middle of the day? Look, Toyota made an illegal left. This Prius was tailgating the dump truck the whole time.
Yeah. And this
Oh, the
Slara-
dump truck is exiting. Let me follow his path. Oh
Slara
my
has-
God.
yeah, not even.
Oh my God.
What the fuck is wrong? Oh, she's on her phone.
Oh. Yeah, sure. Wonderful. Good, great, great. Labor Day idiots. What do we got? We got 1, 2, 3, 4 car accident.